Here, I've created the save path already, where it can be specified inside the file dialog. So, only need to create two path variables. One is top language, saved as SRT, and another SRT for the bottom language. Just name it top lang SRT. Here I fixed the SRT file name, but the directory varies based on the save path. Since we've already imported pathlib, here you can see this path. I only need to use a path object. Name it top lang path. Here, path, and then top lang path dot write text. Encoding equals UTF-8, which means you can read whatever language it shows, and it will be all set. Let's say top SRT file. We need to define the top lang path first. The top lang path is whatever folder select when you hit download. And then let's do it this way. Usually I use df string because I can parse the string object directly. This one is save path. Okay. And then underscore, oops, should be slash, not underscore. Name it top lang SRT dot SRT because it's saved as a script file. It's a text file, right? The same can be applied to the bottom lang. So this is bottom lang. This file, just like I mentioned, is a path object. Here we also need to write the script text. Should be like this. I'm supposed to be inserting the script text here. Just type in some text. Let me get the bottom lang done. Change it to button. We are supposed to be fitting in the script text here. These tags are linked to this text variable top lang text. This text has already been generated. When uploading the bilingual script to insert process text to text area 2 and 3, so I only need to get whatever shown in text area 2 and 3, turn it to text object to be inserted to the top and bottom language SRT file, so that when you press download, the language files will be saved to the save path automatically. Okay, text area 2 cause it's the language on top, so it's shown in text area 2. Again, 1.0 means getting from the first character all the way to the end. Do this for the bottom language as well. The bottom lang is the bottom one in the bilingual caption that appears in text area 3. Okay, now replace this text with this top language. Top lang txt. Grab whatever text from text area 2 and write it into the top lang SRT file. Okay, writing everything to this path. Do this for bottom lang text as well. Should be fine. Let's test it. Control F5. Again, upload file. Upload a bilingual caption. Here, I've got a bunch of those. If you don't have one, watch my previous video. Download the template file and try it yourself. Here I just open any bilingual caption, open it, and I should be able to preview the output text where the language on top is English and the bottom one is Cantonese. Press download file. It prompts me to select the download location. Just pick my thumb drive, G drive. You can pick your own location. Select folder. I'm supposed to get 2 files. Close it first. Window E. Open up the G drive. There we go. I spot a typo. ANG here. It should be LANG instead of ANG. This should be the English caption. Here the English caption file, because I remember the first line should be to speed up. Okay. And I should have button lang.srt file. Let me see here. Button. This is the Cantonese caption. That means once the bilingual captions upload, press download, and 2 separate caption files will be saved to the specified folder. I think I should add an alert says you've uploaded successfully whatever. Let me change something because it should be toplang.srt instead of ang. Change it. Control F5, run it again. Just refresh the memory cache. Okay. For this Python script, split_srt, exit first. I'll turn it into an executable, which is a program. Open up the command prompt. Start autopilot to exe. Activate my virtual environment. Get into autopilot to exe. Use this package again. If you want to learn how to install Python package to convert Python script to a Windows program, feel free to watch the video on the top right. In script location, hit browse to point to your Python script. Select your script, which is this one, split_srt. I pick one directory. Select one file if you have no other dependencies. I'm not going to pick one file because I might need other files, so one directory. I won't choose console base because I want to have a separate window like the program that you saw earlier. You can also set the icon of the program. Leave it as I don't have an icon. You can add additional package under additional files. My app only uses the default Python packages like path and something similar. Here I just leave it. In case you forgot, you can always add them back. No big deal. For advanced, let me see. There should be nothing special. Oops, you can set version here. Mac specific as well. Just leave it. Then for settings, specify your output location. By default, it outputs to an unknown output folder. So usually I'll hit browse to specify my own output folder. For me, it's the app folder in my USB. Here you see the 2 programs that I've already made. Just select the app folder. We're almost there. Now hit convert Py to exe. Done. Open output folder. This one, split_srt. And click this one, executable. Double click it. It works. Very good. Let's try again. Upload file. Pick a bilingual caption. This one. Open it. Now it splits the top language, which is the English caption on top, and the bottom language caption. Download file again, like what we did. Download to the app folder. Okay, close it. Navigate to the app folder. I should see 2 files. Yup, bottom lang and top lang. The top lang file should be the English caption. Yup. The bottom lang should be the Cantonese caption. Okay, done. So that's my new caption app. Let me exit and deactivate it. Exit. Done.